Hey traders, Arjun here. What if Rahul could go back in time? What if he could practice trading for 2 whole months before risking a single rupee of real money? He would have saved 18,500 rupees. That is exactly what he lost in month one, all because he skipped the most important step in a trader's journey. Paper trading. Rahul discovers paper trading. Paper trading is simulated trading with fake money. You use real charts, real prices, real time, but zero risk. You place trades exactly as you would in a live market, but with virtual capital. No money enters, no money leaves. Platforms like Zerodha Varsity and TradingView offer free paper trading accounts. You get a virtual balance and you trade as if it were real. Same charts, same order types, same everything. Except the money is not real. Why should you paper trade? For reasons. 1. Test your strategy before risking capital. You think your moving average crossover works? Prove it with 50 paper trades first. 2. Find flaws in your plan. Maybe your stop losses are too tight. Maybe your entries are late. Paper trading exposes these problems for free. 3. Build confidence. When you see your strategy working on paper, you trust it with real money. 4. Develop discipline without financial pain. Learning to follow rules is hard. It is much easier when a mistake costs you nothing. How to start paper trading. Step 1. Pick a platform. Zerodha Varsity or TradingView both work great. Step 2. Start with 1 lakh rupees of virtual capital. Not 10 lakhs, not 50 lakhs. 1 lakh, the same amount you would actually trade with. Step 3. Trade exactly as you would with real money. Same position size, same stop losses, same entry rules, same journal. Write down every trade. If you would risk 1,000 rupees in real trading, risk 1,000 in paper trading. Make it identical. The paper trading trap. Most people do not take paper trading seriously. They buy 500 shares instead of 50 because it is fake money anyway. They skip their stop loss because who cares? It is not real. They take random trades because there is no consequence. This teaches terrible habits. You are training your brain to be reckless. When you switch to real money, your brain remembers those habits. And now they cost you real money. Paper trading done wrong is worse than not paper trading at all. How to paper trade correctly. Treat it like real money. Same position sizing. If your formula says 50 shares, buy 50 shares, not 500. Same stops. If your stop is at 480, you exit at 480. No moving it. Same journal. Write down the setup, the entry, the stop, the target, and the result. Same emotions check. After every trade, note how you felt. Anxious? Overconfident? Bored? If you cannot be disciplined with fake money, you will not be disciplined with real money. Period. How long should you paper trade? The rule is simple. Minimum 100 paper trades or 2 months, whichever is longer. If you make 100 trades in 3 weeks, you still wait for 2 months. If 2 months pass and you have only done 60 trades, you keep going until 100. And there is one more condition. You must show positive results before going live. If after 100 trades and 2 months you are still losing, you stay on paper. Fix the strategy first, then go live. The transition to real money. Do not jump from paper to full size. Start real trading with 25% of your planned capital. If you plan to trade with 1 lakh, start with 25,000. Trade for 1 month. If you are profitable, increase to 50%. Another profitable month, increase to 75%. Another month, go to full capital. This gradual ramp-up protects you during the most dangerous period. The transition from fake to real money. Rahul's advice to his past self. If I could restart my trading journey, here is exactly what I would do. 2 months of paper trading. Every single day. 100 plus trades. Journaling every one. Then 2 months of small real money. 25% capital. Gradually increasing. Total investment? 4 months of patience. Total savings? 18,500 rupees and months of emotional pain. The shortcut is actually the long way around. The long way is actually the shortcut. Rahul's paper trading rules. 1. Use the same capital you plan to trade with in real life. 2. Follow your exact strategy. No shortcuts. 3. Journal every trade. Same as real. 4. Minimum 100 trades or 2 months. 5. Must be profitable before going live. 6. Transition with 25% capital first. 7. If you cannot be disciplined on paper, Do not go live. Paper trading is the cheapest education in the stock market. Zero tuition fee. If you skip it, the market will teach you the same lessons, but it will charge you 18,500 rupees or more. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.